Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Lock Screen Password and select one of those types: numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. I will go with pattern. Now you need to wait 5 seconds, and choose continue in the pop-up. If you change your mind, click on use a different password type and select one of those login methods over here. Then enter it and repeat it in order to confirm it. If you wish to add your face right away, click on Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. If you don't, tap on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!